In this video, I will show you how to transfer USDC from Coinbase to Phantom Wallet. So if you want to do this, you're firstly going to open your Coinbase app, and then from here, go and click on Transfer at the bottom right. And from here, go and click on Send Crypto. And right now we need to paste in the wallet address from our Phantom Wallet. So in order to obtain this, we're going to open our Phantom Wallet right now. And in your Phantom Wallet, you need to go and click on Receive. And now you need to select the network that you're going to receive the USDC on. So in this tutorial, I'm going with Polygon. So I'm going to copy this to my clipboard by clicking on this. And now I'm going back to my Coinbase wallet. So after you have pasted in the wallet address, go and click on this thing in here. And then select USDC. And this is the most important step of the transfer. In here, you need to select the same network as you just did on Phantom Wallet. So I have selected Polygon, so I'm going to select Polygon again in here. If I do not select Polygon right now and the networks do not match, then my crypto can get lost in the transfer. So it is really important that you match the networks. So I'm just going with Polygon. The Phantom Wallet is accepting USDC on Polygon, so go ahead and click on yes, it's supported in here. Enter the amount that you want to send, and I'm just going with €1.60. So I'm going to click on Preview right now. Click on Self-Custody Wallet. If you're sending to yourself, check this box and otherwise fill in the recipient's full name and the country of residence, and after go and click on Continue. After you have done that, you will see all of your details of the transaction in here, so go and click on Send now if everything is alright. So I'm going to click on this. Now you will get a confirmation of your transaction. So let's click on Done. And now we will see that the transaction is pending. So let's go over to our Phantom Wallet to see if the transaction has been completed. So I open up my Phantom Wallet and I see my USDC coin in here. And when I scroll down all the way, I will see in here that I have received my crypto. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I will see you in the next one.